Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akakadash. Barakatham to the elders, Wa'aki and Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And the Heavenly Father, true names Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'ashem, name Mashiach Yahushai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashwan Kadash Lotan. And once again, I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa'aki and Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a quick sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of January the 8th, 2025, on this Wednesday night. And this is from the latest earthquakes from the earthquake.usgs.gov, and it reads 4.3 earthquake in western Zhejiang, 4.6 earthquake in Matiera, Ethiopia, 4.4 earthquake in Debdri, Sinia, Ethiopia, 4.9 earthquake in Awash, Ethiopia, 2.8 earthquake occurred in Haltesville, California, 4.4 earthquake in Ethiopia, 5.3 earthquake in Drake Passage, 2.6 earthquake King Solomon, Alaska, 4.7 earthquake in Regents Bridge, 4.6 earthquake occurred in Awash, Ethiopia, 4.6 earthquake in West Amelia Jones, Chile, 4.1 earthquake in Kalish, Russia, 4.5 earthquake in Sekura, Peru, 4.5 earthquake in Seliago, Philippines, 4.5 earthquake south of the Fuji Islands, 4.0 earthquake in the Nos Deo, Indonesia, and there was a 4.1 earthquake in the Lakshmi, Nepal, 3.5 earthquake in Cheyenne, Alaska, 2.5 earthquake in Naliho, Hawaii, 5.0 earthquake in Reyes James Ridge, 3.1 earthquake occurred in Barinas, Puerto Rico, 4.7 earthquake in the Malukovo, Russia, 4.9 earthquake in Giliazo, Solomon Islands, 2.6 earthquake in Corvalado, Puerto Rico, 4.2 earthquake in West Port Villa, Bentu, and a 4.0 earthquake in west of northwest of Port Villa, Bentu, and that was 28 kilometers. 3.2 earthquake in Baligo, Alaska, 3.2 earthquake in Alimino, California, 2.7 earthquake 49 kilometers west of northwest of Petula, California, 5.7 earthquake in southern Qinghai, China, 2.6 earthquake 3 kilometers west of southwest of the Fig, Puerto Rico, 3.8 earthquake 43 kilometers east to southeast of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, if I pronounced that right. 4.7 earthquake off the coast of Ashan, Chile. 3.3 earthquake 22 kilometers southwest of Charlotte and Maui, U.S. Virgin Islands. 4.8 earthquake in southern Tepten, Paleotu. 2.5 earthquake in Petula, California. So those was the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of January the 8th, 2025 on Wednesday night. And this is the book of Luke 21 verse 11. Yep, this is the book of Luke 21 verse 11. And a great earthquake shall be in diverse places, right? Increasing earthquakes in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights of great saying should it be for heaven. So with that, this was just a quick sit-down lesson of the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of January the 8th, 2025 on this Wednesday night. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Kakadash, Barak Thumb to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I would say Shalom.